All nature is so beautiful. Like, Jesus Christ, I need to climb this thing. Like, hold on, guys. I'm literally like inside or on a tree. Like, look how far down I am. Oh my gosh. So this is my tree. Sturdy. Which is not. I'm gonna have a little big fall. Anyways, look at this beautiful tree. And there's also like, so if I fall backwards, okay, I'm gonna like, ah! And it's probably gonna be a nasty fall, but you know, by Lord. Okay, so guys, I'm very naturey. I love going outside. That's why I learned to climb this tree. Anyways, so please give me a big thumbs up. Okay, I have to get down. It's pretty high, you know. Okay. Yo, I want to put my phone down so it doesn't break. Oh my gosh, guys. Whew. Okay, okay, hi guys. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get down. I'm literally holding on by one hand, like, oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Okay, seriously? I have to get down. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going back my leg and my hand. Oh my gosh, guys. My hand is literally hurting. So I have to get down now. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh my god, look at my hand. I know you can't see, but it's really red. Look at the dog. Okay, guys. That's enough adventuring meant for one day. So, you guys know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know, I'm getting so. Bum, bum, ba, na, 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 na. Get her, guys. Bye. Okay, here we go. Bye. You're still here? Okay, good that you're still here. What? I'ma throw you. I'ma throw you. I'ma throw you. Are you okay? I'm gonna put you in the tree. I'm gonna put you in the. I'm gonna put you in the. I'm joking. Come with me, and you'll see a world of pretty imagination. You and I, don't be like in a world of pure imagination. Okay. You and me, and we'll be in a world of pure imagination. You and you and yes. Bye. You win. Hold on. You win.